Hi, my name is Dave Farrow, and I'm the two-time and current Guinness World Record holder for greatest memory. I started off with nothing to become a successful millionaire businessman in 3 different industries and counting. I'm an international best-selling author and consultant to those who want to tap into their mind's full potential. I've had the pleasure of helping thousands of people just like you unleash their inner genius and bring into their lives what they want most using the most powerful asset you have, your mind. I want to invite you to unlock your full potential at my 2-day Memory Genius Conference. I'm coming to Bangkok for the first time. This is a once-in-a-lifetime event, so don't miss it. At this conference, I will unlock your peak mental potential, giving you tools you didn't imagine possible to create success in your life. Now, I've personally been featured on well over 2,000 interviews in the media, places like the Today Show, Science Channel, Discovery Channel, and written on CBC and CNN and CBS, ABC, NBC, Fox, tons of different places. I even went on a show where I won the episode on a show where people test their superhuman ability. In this 2-day Memory Genius Conference, I'm going to show you a powerful tool to unleash your brain's potential. You're going to maximize your memory. You're going to be able to learn far faster than ever before, no matter what method you've used before. I'm also going to show you a focus technique that allows you to more than triple and quadruple your productivity so you can get things done faster and impress everybody else. On top of that, I'm going to unleash your genius and your inner ability to evaluate things and think quickly on your feet. I'm going to show you how to get rid of your inner mental blocks that are currently stopping your success and how to get rid of them instantly without lots of effort and time. I'm going to show you a simple morning and evening mental ritual that you can do every single day to program your brain for success and also tap into collective consciousness to bring you your destiny. I will show you mental techniques that top Olympians, sports heroes, and superstars use to win every single time and produce amazing performances. I will also show you the mindset to attract money and admiration in your life. You're going to learn how to hone your intuition, to make better decisions, to read people, and use those instincts to negotiate better with people. I'm going to show you how to create the life of your dreams in your mind's eye in every single detail, and then use these techniques to manifest it for you. Now, you can be the smartest person in the world, but it pales in comparison to the power of tapping into the collective consciousness and attracting to you what you truly want most. See, I've used this power from a very young age. I started actually to overcome health problems that originated with several near-death experiences I had as a kid. And I've used this power ever since then to bring into my life everything from major corporate connections, multiple business deals, the best employees for my corporations, the marriage of my dreams, millions in sales, making my book an international bestseller, all sorts of things, even real estate deals. So if you're skeptical and don't believe that there is a collective consciousness operating in the background, just understand that the rich and powerful do believe in this and use it every single day. And it's actually surprisingly easy to tap into. You just have to learn the right way in the Memory Genius Conference. I'm going to show you, first off, how to unleash your inner genius, memory, and also practical focus and productivity techniques. I'm going to show you how to accomplish things that you honestly thought were impossible and superhuman. But then I go beyond just, awakening your instincts and being able to read people and tell if they're lying. I go well beyond that because I've developed some unique, powerful brain training strategies that allow anyone to unlock their mental genius and achieve any success they want in life. So don't miss this life-changing opportunity. See, when you know how your brain taps into the collective consciousness in a way that others don't, then you give yourself an advantage. The advantage to have the success that you want and others don't. See, this is the first time I'm coming to Thailand to share this with you. This is for anyone from all walks of life, from teachers, students, business people, tradespeople, the educated and the uneducated, everyone. I'm here to transform your life by changing how you think. People who really want the ability to change their world and manifest their destiny have to come to this conference. Because if you can conceive it, and believe it, I want to help you achieve it with the power of your mind. I'll see you there.